Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're going to demonstrate the use of the HostListener decorator, which allows us to handle DOM events. So let's get started. In the last video we used host binding to bind the background to the background variable, and the inner text to the inner text variable. And the first thing we're going to do is add HostListener at HostListener, parentheses, and quotes, and here we're going to specify our event. So click. And afterwards, we add the function that is going to handle the click event. So let's call it the click event. Parentheses. And here we're going to bind the background to red. And we're going to set our inner text to one click. And we're going to add another host listener at host listener, parentheses, quote, and we're going to use the double click. So DBL click, and we're going to call this function the double click event. Parentheses, and we're gonna set the background to this background to blue, and our text to double click. Now let's check the browser. Let's have one click. Let's add double click, one click. And one last thing I want to add is, if we go back to our editor, we can actually get that data from our event. So let's call it data, end of type event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.